Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video you're gonna learning about how to change your name in your Snapchat ID, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, my name is Stark and you are watching the Starkness Guide YouTube channel, on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply tap at that Snapchat app in your mobile phone, and then after that, once you open it, just tap at the profile picture or your avatar in the top right corner. After that, just tap at the gear near this share icon to like open up your settings. In your settings here, you can see the first option of name. Just simply tap on it like that, and from here you can just simply edit or change your name just like that, or you can just remove your name by tapping at remove name. Once you're done with it, just tap at save and you're done with that. So that's how you can easily do that. So I hope it helps you guys. If it helps, then make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen. Goodbye till the next video.